So this is the NX Series Expert Kit. It comes with a great mix of filters, from a polarizer to graduated filters. Alright, so let's break down the kit. So first, you have a 3-stop reverse grad, a 3-stop hard grad, and a 3-stop soft grad. It comes with a full 10-stop neutral density, a polarizer filter with its own pouch, the NX Series filter holder, a 72, 77, and 82 adapter ring. And then you have a rubber cap for the adapter rings. Then a filter frame tool which has a Phillips and a flathead. And then to hold it all, the NX Series pouch. And there you have it. So that is the NX Series Expert Kit. And like I mentioned, it comes with a great range of filters, from a polarizer to graduated filters. So if you have any questions, please reach out to the team. We're always at help, and have a great day.